Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Edge 50 and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. To do it, open settings application where we choose mobile network and internet and there mobile data. Now we tap on data warming and limit and there we can set it. First step, mobile data usage size. We can set when our size start, maybe first day of each month. We can press set. There we can switch turn on turn off data warming and we can set it in gigabytes, megabytes, what you prefer. Maybe you say at 25 gigabytes. And there we can set data limit first. The last function, turn on it, confirm by OK, and we can set it in gigabytes or megabytes, the same as warming. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.